Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to replace the water pump on a Ford Explorer. First, gather all your tools, including a socket set, wrenches, and a large drain pan. Make sure your engine is completely cool to avoid burns. Always disconnect the negative battery terminal before beginning any automotive repair for safety. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process. Next, you'll need to drain the engine coolant. Place your drain pan underneath the radiator and open the drain plug. Once the coolant is fully drained, remove the serpentine belt. You might need a belt tensioner tool for this. Then, carefully disconnect any hoses or electrical connections leading to the water pump itself. Take your time with these steps. Hey everyone, if you're finding this guide useful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful videos. Quick recommendation: staying hydrated is key, especially when working on your car. The Oala water bottle is fantastic for keeping your drinks cold. Check the description for a link to grab yours and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. Now it's time to remove the old water pump. There are several bolts holding it in place. Remove them all. Gently pry the pump away from the engine block, being careful not to damage the mounting surface. Once it's off, thoroughly clean the area where the new pump will sit. Any old gasket material must be completely removed for a proper seal. With the surface clean, install your new water pump, ensuring the new gasket is correctly seated. Hand tighten the bolts first, then use a torque wrench to tighten them to the manufacturer's specified values. Reconnect all the hoses and electrical connectors you removed earlier. Finally, reinstall the serpentine belt, making sure it's properly routed on all pulleys.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.